Hello, good morning all. Well, I'm so happy that I'm in front of you, and I'm so happy that you are with your family, staying home with your mama and papa. So today, I'm here to just tell you a story. Fine? The name of the story is A Shepherd Boy. Fine. First, I will tell you the meaning of a shepherd because I know that you don't know. You're too small to know about this. So, shepherd refers to be a person who took the sheep and the cattle outside to graze. Fine. Grazing means to feed them, to give them food. Fine. So, now let's start the story. So, there was a young shepherd boy who lived in a village, and every day the boy would take his sheep to graze outside. Okay, every day the boy take his sheep to graze outside. One day, while the sheep were grazing, the poor boy felt very bored, and he decided to play a prank on the people of villages. What he did? He suddenly started shouting, "Wolf, wolf, somebody help me, please, wolf, wolf." Listening to his cries, villagers rushed to help him. And as they come close, the boy began laughing. The villagers understood that the boy had fooled them. They warned him not to play prank again, and they returned. Again, after a few days later, the boy done the same mischief. The villagers again warned him. Then after some time, after a few months, the villagers suddenly, all the villagers, they were just walking out in the village, and suddenly they heard the boy cries for help. And this time they felt that the boy is the same boy, and he might be doing the same thing. So they didn't went to help the boy. Fine. And what happened? On that day, it was a real cry by this boy. The wolves eat all the sheep of the boy, and he cannot do anything. Fine. So now what happened? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we should never tell a lie. Okay? We should never tell a lie to anybody, even to your friends, to your mother and father, to anyone. You should be a true person. Never say a lie to anybody else. Fine? Otherwise, the other person will take you as a liar. The other person will take you, oh my God, he's the same fool, he's the same person, he's the same boy, he's the same girl who always lie. So don't bother his talks because he's a liar. So the moral of the story is that we should never tell a lie. Okay, so this is the story now. What you have to do? You have to revise the story with your mama and papa. Okay, fine. I will meet you again. Okay, thank you. Bye.